Hello, my name is Daniel Henry, and right now I'm going to show you how to join and use Grindstone Team. If you haven't already watched our video on how to use views, properties, and quick entry in Grindstone, I suggest you look at that first. Welcome aboard to Grindstone Team! Grindstone Team is a service that allows you and your peers to track time collaboratively. Gone are the days of filling out timesheets or getting interrupted by managers who need to know what you're doing, what happened this morning, how your big project has been progressing. Now they will be able to get that information from Grindstone, and you will be free to spend that much less time jumping through administrative hoops. To get started, first you're going to need a user login and password given to you by your supervisor or IT person. This will also include some additional information, depending on whether your team is being hosted out of the cloud or on a server you maintain yourselves. Once you have all that rounded up, you'll need to open Grindstone, click the Grindstone menu, and then select Change Database. Just answer the questions on the screen as the window presents them. Once you're done, click the confirmation button, and voila! You have now created a new Grindstone database file on your computer that is tied to Grindstone Team. Everything you've learned from the previous videos in this series still applies, but now there are a few additional things you should know. Grindstone will want to stay connected to Grindstone Team while you're working, so it can keep you in sync with everyone else on your team. If you start Grindstone and your computer isn't connected to the internet, or lose your connection while you're working, Grindstone will not be able to communicate with Grindstone Team. While this isn't preferable, it's nothing to worry about. Just keep on working and tracking your time. When Grindstone can reconnect to Grindstone Team, they will have a brief conversation behind the scenes about what went on while you were disconnected, and both sides will be up to speed in no time. Your supervisors will create assignments for you when they expect you to work on specific work items. To see all your assignments that you have not yet completed, click the My Incomplete view. Here, you can see what your supervisors are expecting you to get done. If your assignments don't already have due dates or estimates, you can double-click an assignment and fill them in yourself, and doing so will help your supervisors plan optimally. When you're finished with an assignment, be sure to mark it complete. This will get it off your list of things to do and let your supervisors know that you think you're done. Grindstone has two options for doing this. Set Complete at Now, which sets your completion time at whatever time it is right now, and Set Complete at End, which sets your completion time to the end of the latest time slice for that work item. If you accidentally mark an assignment complete, you can find it again in the My Assignments view, which lists all of them, including the complete ones. Just click the one you weren't quite done with, and then click Set Incomplete. Alright, you're all set to get out there and track time together using Grindstone Team.